Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week is off to an amazing start, and I hope you all are in good health. So today you guys, I'm going to be sharing with you some simple decorating ideas and simple tips for styling your kitchen. So as you can see here, I already got my kitchen counters already cleaned off and everything and disinfected. And only thing I leave out on my counters is my two appliances that I use on a regular basis, which is my KitchenAid mixer and then my coffee maker. So I like to style my kitchen by going around creating simple vignettes and simple little displays for all of my functional items so that they can be displayed nice and pretty and also serve as a piece of decor for the kitchen as well. So I'm going to start over here with my coffee maker or my coffee section here, and I'm going to start by adding this two-tier tray that I picked up from Home Goods. I love this tray because it's marble on the top and the bottom, and it also has that silver accent that I'm looking for as well. I really like these stands because they are very versatile. They're very multifunctional piece of decor. You can use it as a dessert holder to hold as a serving tray to hold your dessert or items like that, or you can also use it to decorate or store your pieces of the home decor as well. So that's what I'm using it for here, as a little stand just to showcase all of my cute coffee cups. And then these coffee cups I picked up from Burlington Coat Factory, I believe last Christmas season. I believe they were like $3.99 each. I love how they have that glam touch to it. It has that gold and white on there. It looks really, really cute. So for my kitchen, since my kitchen counters are very dark and then my backsplash is very dark, I definitely like to bring in elements of white. So you'll see me decorate with a lot of marbles, a lot of bright white home decor pieces, just to kind of soften the look of the counters and the backsplash, and just to kind of brighten it up in the room. So next I'm going to add in this beautiful tray here that I got from the At Home store. It was $19.99, and I love this little tray because it's marble as well and it's white, so it adds a pop of color and freshness to the space. And also I use it to hold my canisters that I'm going to use to house my K-cups and then my ground coffee as well. And then these canisters, I love them. They are silver and they have a little hint of gold on there. And I picked these up from Macy's. They are the Michael Aram canisters. I really do love these. They're super cute. So I'll have these linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested. So next I'm going to create another little vignette on this side of the counter, and I'm just going to use this side to decorate or store my kitchen canisters. And in these canisters I have my everyday essentials that I use all the time. So I have my flour, and then I also have my sugar that I need on my counter all the time. And I picked these canisters up from Target. I believe this little one here was $16.99. No, the little one was $14.99, and then the larger one was $16.99. I really love the script on there. It's really cute and very neutral piece of decor, so I thought it looked really nice in my kitchen. And then next I'm going to add in this cookbook here. I got this cookbook from a bookstore here. It was called Half Price Books, and it's just a nice little roasting book by William Sonoma. It has all kinds of recipes for roasting chickens and different kinds of meats and things like that. So I really love it, and I use several recipes in this book, so I like to have it on hand. So I'm just going to use that, just going to store this right next to my canisters. Then next I'm going to add Miss Nikki's book. This is her book, Beautifully Organized Home. I'm quite sure you guys have already heard of Miss Nikki here on YouTube. She's an awesome decorator, so I'm just going to use her book here and stack it on top of my cookbook like so. Then next I'm going to add in some greenery. I picked up these boxwood from Burlington Coat Factory. I believe they were $6.99 each. It was originally in a gray color, but I ended up spray painting the base white to give me that fresh, bright white look. And then this is how everything has turned out, you guys. So I really love it, really simple. I love when I create my vignettes, I like to try to group things in threes and four, because it just kind of layer everything together and give a nice, clean, cohesive look. So next I'm going to style around my KitchenAid mixer, and with this mixer I'm not going to do too much over here in this section, but I do want to have a place to store all of my serving spoons and things like that. So I'm using this container here that I got from Home Goods. I believe this was $7.99 at Home Goods. It is by Ray Dunn. It just says pour. Actually, it's like a water picture, but I'm actually going to use it to store all of my wooden serving spoons and all of my stainless steel serving spoons. So when you're decorating your kitchen, you always want to come in, you always want to place out all your nice servingware and appliances, all those things that look really nice decor wise and functionally. That's the things you want to place out on your kitchen counter so everything looks nice and clean and cohesive. Then next, I'm just going to add in a kitchen towel inside of my mixing bowl there. And I got this kitchen towel from Target. It was $3 and I think 99 cents. It's by Project 62. I really love how it has that nice neutral kind of wheat color. And I'm just going to fold it into the mixing bowl like so. Then I also got some large canisters that you will see me add at the end of the video that I got from Ross stores. They're just for decoration only because it doesn't have a airtight seal on there, but they're really cute and really pretty, has a nice texture to it. So you'll see me add that later on to the video. So next we're going to move over here to the left side of my stove. I'm just going to decorate over here. And on this side, I like to store all of my salt and pepper and oils that I use on a regular basis when I'm cooking. So I'm going to create a little vignette for this side as well. Now, I shared this little cutting board with you all, I believe last Thanksgiving. I picked it up from Ross. It was $6.99, and it just says, "In all things give thanks." I really do love the saying that it has on there, so I don't cut on it. I just use it for decor purposes only, and I'm also going to place it against the backsplash just to kind of hide that plug. Now, I like using different trays around my kitchen and everything, like I said, to kind of house everything together. Decorating with trays is very functional, and I'm telling you, it's your best friend. So I love using different type of serving trays just to store and hold all of my little accessory pieces and things. So I found this little tray here. This is actually a Lazy Susan. I believe I got this at Ross or Home Goods, but I know it was definitely under $10, and it's all marble. I really do love it, and I'm just going to use that to store all of my cooking oils and salt and pepper on. Next, I'm going to add in my oils, my olive oil, my cooking oil. And when you're storing your olive oils or any kind of oil, whatever you're going to use for your kitchen, try to put them in nice decorative bottles. Like really pretty bottles really makes a difference decor-wise and function-wise. I picked these bottles up from at Home Store. I mean, not at Home Store, but the Home Goods store. And these were, I think they were like $3.99 each, very inexpensive. And then next, I'm just going to add these salt and pepper containers that I got from Home Goods. They were, I think it was $9.99 for this set. And I just love how it has that wooden top at the bottom and just says salt and pepper on it. So really cute. Next, I like to display my cutting boards, and I also like to add like a little section, a little decor section as well to the kitchen, just to kind of brighten the space up. So I'm going to display all of my cutting boards that all of my really nice cutting boards. So these cutting boards I don't use all the time. I have my other ones that I use for my meats and vegetables tucked away in the drawers, but I just really love the shapes and the styles of these cutting boards. So I'm just going to create a vignette with these cutting boards just to add a nice pop of texture to the kitchen. And all of these cutting boards I picked up at Home Goods. Next, I'm going to add in a nice tray. This tray I picked up from Target. I love how it has that kind of bronzy gold base to it. It's really heavy, and it's a marble base top as well, and it was $19.99 at Target. It's actually a dessert stand, but I'm just going to use it to store my measuring cups and some little appetizer plates and things like that in the kitchen. So I'm going to add this faux greenery here. I think adding a pop of greenery to your kitchen, it really does bring life to the space. So I'm going to add in this faux greenery. I got this from Target as well. This one was $14.99. It's just a faux fern, and I really do love how full and colorful it looks. It just adds a really nice pop of green to the kitchen. Then next I'm going to add in my favorite measuring cups. I bought these measuring cups a few years ago from Michael's. I think they were like $10 or $12 for the whole set. I really do love it because it kind of looks like a teapot or a teacup. So I like using those on a regular basis. So I'm just going to have them on this little stand here so that I have easy access to it. Then I'm also going to add some little appetizer plates just to kind of layer in the look, and add some little condiment bowls that I picked up from Pier 1. And then these little condiment bowls here that I picked up from Pier 1, originally they were $1.50 each, but I think they were like 70% off or 60% off at that time when I bought them from Pier 1, so it was very inexpensive. So I really do love, because it's just adds a nice little layer to the vignette. And then this is the final look, you guys. So I really do love how everything has turned out. I really do love that it has function and also adds a nice decor to the space. So next I'm going to use this cake stand here. This is another marble cake stand, has a silver base, and I picked this up from Home Goods as well. This was $12.99 at Home Goods, and I'm just going to use this to create a space for all of my hand soaps and scrub brushes and things like that. Then I'm also going to add in this floral arrangement that I picked up from Home Goods. I got this last year from Home Goods. I think it was like maybe $10.99 from Home Goods. Then next I'm just going to add in this little scrubber brush. It's like a little container that has some little dish soap in there, and also has a little scrub brush in there to scrub all your pots and pans and stuff like that. And that little brush set came from Grove Collaborative. Then next I'm going to add in some Bath & Body Works hand soap. This is in crisp apple, which smells absolutely amazing. So I'm just going to add that there. And then this is the final look, you guys. So this is how everything has turned out. And I just really love how everything is simple, clean, but then it also adds a little bit of decor to the kitchen as well. Because I don't like to keep too much on the kitchen counters, but I do like to have the stuff that's out there look really nice and cute, so it looks give a nice little decor aesthetic to the kitchen as well. And then over here, those are the canisters that I was telling you about. I picked those up from Ross. I thought they were absolutely cute, and I think they were like $10.99 each. They're very tall canisters, but you can use them to store different things, but I just wouldn't recommend putting any food in there because it doesn't have a airtight seal. Then at the top of my refrigerator, I did add two more of those faux boxwood greenery at the top, and then I just pulled this sign out of my laundry room and placed that on top of the refrigerator. So yeah, so this is the final look, you guys. I really do love how everything has turned out. If you're new here, my name is Trina. Welcome. I share all kinds of home decor inspiration, as well as some cleaning videos and some lifestyle videos. So if you're interested in that kind of content, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here. And if you're a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad y'all stopped by for another video. So next I'm going to decorate my island. I'm just going to keep it real simple on the island because I do work in this space a lot. So I want to create something that I can just easily take off and move out of the way where it's not going to take up too much space. So I'm just going to use this ginger jar that I got from Home Goods, and I'm going to create a nice floral arrangement. And then all the florals in here I got from InspireMeHomeDecor.com, except for the white flowers. Those came from Target. And to finish the look, I'm just going to add in these gorgeous candlesticks that I picked up from Home Goods. The smaller one was $7.99, and then a larger one was $9.99. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video as well. It really helps out my channel a lot. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider hitting that red subscribe button and become part of our decorating family here. And to all of my returning subscribers, hey y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.